Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvi and for today's video I am going to be reviewing about the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So let's get started. So this foundation retails for 475 rupees. They have various shades and Lakme is an Indian company. So we have all shades for all suitable Indian skin tones. And I got this in January. There was a sale going on Nykaa and I got this for 350 rupees, which is a great thing. So if you are intrigued to buy this foundation but you do not want to pay 475, maybe if you can wait until sales and get it for 350 rupees, then you can definitely do that. So let's get started. And by the way, I am in the shade 220 N220 neutral medium, and I have seen that this shade is almost perfect to my skin tone. It is a glass packaging. Let me just show it to you. And the applicator is something like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to apply it on my face. It is a little bit pink on my skin, but I would say it is fine. Now this has a mild fragrance. I won't say it has a strong fragrance, but it has a mild fragrance. So if you do not like fragrance, I would say you might not like it. If you can bear it, it's totally fine. I love the applicator of this a lot. So one side I'm going to be using a brush and one side I'm going to be using a beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend it out. So first I'm going to be using a brush on this side and just go in circular motions like this, as you can see. And on the viewfinder I literally can see that it's looking a bit brighter, but trust me, like, it's very identical to my shade, my skin tone, but it's just that because of the ring light it's looking a bit more brighter. But as you can see, it blended out really nicely. It is very weightless, and as you can see from here, my acne scars, like my pigmentation is seen. So it is a very, neutral, not neutral, what is the word, I forgot the word, medium coverage. It is a very low to medium coverage foundation. As you can see, definitely you can build it up by adding a few more layers of this foundation, and you can get the full-fledged full coverage foundation effect on your skin. But if you want like a breathable look to your skin, then definitely I would say this is the one for you. Okay, so now that is the side for as I've used the brush. Pretty good. I would say there were a little bit strokes, like I can see a few strokes over here of the brush, but then that's fine. Like, I can even it out with a beauty blender afterwards. So now I'm going to be using a beauty blender, and I'm just going to do this and just blend the foundation in. It is a little bit more pinkier than I've said, like as I've mentioned, but I would say once it oxidizes, it looks like pretty accurate to my skin tone. I love the finish of a beauty blender way more than a brush because it does not leave those streaks on my face. That's the only reason why. And yeah, that is it. That is the application of the foundation done. As you can see over here, I would say this side of my face looks a bit more glowy and dewy, and this looks a bit more matte. But one thing which I've seen over here is because of the streaks which are here from the brush, I'm just evening it out. Other than that, I would say it is fine. You can see my scars over here as well, over here and over here. It is a very medium coverage foundation. If you want, you can build it up. As I've mentioned, it is very lightweight. It oxidizes on my skin, and it looks pretty good on my face. So I love this foundation. Honestly, I think it is one of my favorites, to the level of Fit Me, and Fit Me is like my absolute favorite foundations. So if you're a beginner, or if you you just want a daily foundation but also you do not know if you should buy a full coverage foundation, I would say go ahead and buy this one. You can wear it on a day-to-day basis. It is perfect for day-to-day college wear, office wear, foundation. But then you can also even it out and build the coverage by adding one more layer. So I'm going out actually after this, so I want the full coverage. So I'm going to be applying a bit more foundation over here so that I get the full coverage, and you will literally see in a minute that it turns into full coverage. As you can see, I have built it up to full coverage. It's pretty more coverage than before. I can see my scars, but then still, it's like an active pimple going on. But as you can see, the coverage looks good. I really like it. It is very lightweight. I cannot feel it on my skin. So that is basically the foundation review of the Lakme's 9 to 5. I honestly think this is a really great beginner friendly foundation. Even if if you're not a beginner, I am not a beginner, I really liked it because of the finish, the coverage and the lightweight effect that it gives to my skin. I love the shade because it just matches perfectly to my skin tone. Like, I am pretty happy with the shade matching as well. So that was my review, and yes, let me talk about the wear test. It does last long. However, I do not really wear makeup for like extensive hours. I remove it after once I'm done with it. So yeah, I mean, that is that. I like the foundation. Do ahead and check it out. There will be a link in the description if you want to view it directly, so you can check it out. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to watch these two videos or here, wherever they are. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.